The percentage by mass of iron in a steel wire is determined by a student. The student reacts 680 milligrams, so 0.68 grams of wire with an excess of sulfuric acid, so it all becomes Fe2+. They make it up to exactly 100 centimetres cubed and take 25 centimetre cube portions into a conical and titrate them with this concentration of manganate. So, give an equation for the reaction between iron and sulfuric acid. It told us it made 2+, which means it makes FeSO4, because sulfate ion is 2-, and we make hydrogen gas. Calculate the mean titer. So you keep titrating until you get concordant results within 0.1 of each other. So these are our two concordant. So we're going to add them and divide by 2. And we're going to get 22.65 centimetres cubed. Give the overall ionic equation for the oxidation of Fe2+ by manganate 7. So you may need to do a little bit of working out here. Fe2+ is getting oxidised to Fe3+. Manganate, MnO4-, you need to remember gets reduced to Mn2+. And if you balance that equation, you need 4 waters, which gives you 8 acids and 5 electrons. So to combine them both, I have to multiply the ion equation by 5. So MnO4- plus 8H plus 5 Fe2+ gives me Mn2+, 4 H2Os, and 5 Fe3+. State the colour change that you would see at the end point of this titration. So remember that down here you've got this very pale green, almost colourless, pretty much colourless iron 2 solution, and up here you've got this dark purple. And as the dark purple reacts, it turns colourless. So you will be adding it and it will be turning colourless, so the solution in the conical flask will remain colourless. And then at one point there'll be no more iron 2 to be oxidised, and the next drop of dark purple will go into the flask and make 1 drop of dark purple in lots of colourless. So our colour change will be, it will have been colourless, and it won't go purple, it'll go pale pink, because 1 drop of the purple solution, like 1 drop of Ribena into your water, is going to look pale pink. Then it says, how might we take the what piece of apparatus would we use to take the 25 centimetre cube portions? Well, they are going in the conical. We use a pipette to put those proportions in, and we add the manganate with a burette. The balance used to weigh the 680 milligrams of iron has an uncertainty of 0.005 grams. Remember that this is 0.68 grams. A container was weighed and its mass was subtracted, okay, and each reading is 0.005. So we weighed by difference. So actually we weighed it twice, and we weighed 0.68 grams. So we had this uncertainty of 0.005, we used it twice, and we measured this mass, and we want it as a percentage. So we're going to do that on our calculator. 0.005 times 2, divided by 1.68, times that by 100%. And you get an answer of 1.47%.